What is going on, guys? Here we back with another comparison video, and today we are going to be checking the Nike Air Max 97 Shine Wotherspoon. So yes, before we jump into it, guys, don't forget that we do free legit checks on Instagram, and all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel and send us all the detailed pictures, and we're gonna legit check the shoes for free. Now let's kick it off. First, as you guys can see, here we got the fake ones and here we got the real one. And I'm gonna start talking about the box itself. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the fake box is more lighter than the real box. Let's talk about the Nike logo. On the Nike logo, the real one is more lighter and the fake one is more darker. Now let's talk about the box label. This is the fake box label and this is the real box label. On the fake box label, you guys can see that color on the real box label is more lighter. The color on the fake box label is a little bit more darker. The fake box label doesn't have the price tag right here, but this is not a big deal because only US pairs come with the price tag. The overseas pairs doesn't really come with the price tag. So now let's talk about the shoes. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, these fakes are so good, like the fakes are getting so close to the authentic. This is the God Killer, or however they call them, the most updated fakes, the premium fakes in the market. If you look very close, you can tell that the color on the real pair is more darker and the color on the fake pair is more lighter. You can see the green right here is more darker and the green right here is more lighter. You see how the real one looks more defined and the fake one kind of looks dirty. And the second thing we're going to be talking about is the toe box. Yes, as you guys can see, the toe box, this is the real and this is the fake. And on the fake toe box, you can see the glue all around, and on the real toe box, you don't really see that flaw. Another thing I noticed on the real pair is that the stitching is more noticeable. You can definitely see the stitching is more noticeable over here, but if you look on the fake pair, you barely can see the stitching. Another giveaway that I've noticed from the fake is that the shape right here is different. So this is more long and here is more short. So the shape over here on the fake one is more short and is more long on the real pair. Here you can see the distance between the logo and the line right here. So this is the fake one, it has more space. The fake one has more space here than the real one. You see the space right here and the space on the fake pair. This is more, it has more centimeters right here than the real pair. Now let's talk about the back of the shoes. So if you look at the back of the shoe here, this is the real one, guys, and this is the fake one. You can see how the real one, it has, you can see the lines on the real one, but on the fake one you can't really see it. This is the real and this is the fake. I don't know if you guys can see the lines that goes down, but on the fake one you barely can see it. Another thing, the Virginia to LA, on the fake one it looks kind of bad comparing to the real one. On the real one looks more defined. If you look at the tongue of the shoe, you can see how the tongue on the real one is more clean and defined comparing to the fake one. The fake tongue, it looks more messed up. See how the real one is more defined, more clean. That's another thing you guys can check. Let's talk about the size tag. So this is the real size tag and this is the fake size tag. So now we're going to talk about the insoles. There's a huge difference between the insoles. You can see how the real insole is more lighter. It looks like the real one is made with different material comparing to the fake one. You can see how the real one is more lighter and the fake one is more darker. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, we're not trying to promote any fake product out there in the market, but the fakes are getting so close to the real deal. These shoes are so close to the authentic ones. If you don't know enough about sneakers, you can get scammed very easy. I think the only thing I can tell you guys about these shoes is to check the colors, check the stitching and the material quality. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If this video gets 100 likes, we're gonna drop another videos about the Yeezy 350 V2 on the semi-frozen yellow colorway. So guys, thank you for watching.